Ingeteam Power Technology. Power Grid Automation. Tutorials. Topic: Creating a new project. In this video, we will learn how to create a new project with the Energy Factory Suite platform. For this purpose, we must first open PackFactory and click on the Project Factory button. Then, by clicking on the green button New, we will be able to set the name for the project. Now, we just need to activate the project by pressing the Activate button or by double-clicking on the project's name. Once the project is activated, we can close Project Factory and click on the Start green arrow in order to access the project topology configurator. Firstly, we will import some CIDs to the project from the drop-down menu on the top left corner. For this example, an Ingepack DA-PTC and an Ingepack EFCD2 will be added. Select the CID from the file browser, and then create a voltage level and a bay for the imported CID. Now, wait until PackFactory includes the configuration file to the project. Once the loading has been finished, a subnetwork will be assigned to the IED. The IED Properties window will pop up, where the IED access point AP1 will be enabled. For this configuration, the IP address of the IED will also be modified. A second CID, an EFCD2, will be imported to the installation, and its access point will also be modified. The list of subnetworks in the installation can be found in the Communications tab. More voltage levels shall be included by clicking on the lightning symbol. Likewise, bays can also be added to the already existing voltage levels by right-clicking on the voltage level tags. Finally, we have created a new project.
Ingeteam, electrifying a sustainable future.